Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make a moving tape text using Canva. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into elements and then we're going to select an image for the background. Once we add the image, we're going to set it as a background. So once that step is completed, we're going to duplicate. We're going to go to edit photos. Then we're going to do magic grab. We're going to get rid of this background. Okay, so now we're going to add our text. Okay, so we want this text to be long, so I'm going to just copy and paste mine instead of typing it all over again. Okay, so I'm going to select here, space, paste. I'm going to change the size. Once that step is completed, we're going to go to effects and then we're going to select background. You're going to choose whatever color you want. I'm going to choose black. I'm going to change the color of the text to white, and then I'm going to zoom in on the page, extend the text, okay, so now I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to rotate. Now I'm going to go to animations and I'm going to add the animation drift. Now I'm going to duplicate again. I'm going to change the color of this one. Okay, so now I'm going to turn this the opposite way. And then I'm going to go back to animations, go to drift, and I'm going to select this one. I'm going to duplicate it again. Bring the image to the front. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more.